Okay, so we're gonna just grab the same shit. Disgusting! Ladies and gentlemen, this video is scheduled for one unboxing. Introducing to you today, the Broke Beauty Guru and your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the Ring Queen, Lexa Rose. Okay, so today, I got a Beautylish haul. Now, let's go back a couple of days prior. Please explain, Miss Lexa Rose. Okay, so I just placed my order for Beautylish today. And my future sister-in-law has no clue that I actually bought a pallet for her. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a little heads up about it when I do when you see the rest of the unboxing video, because I really want to catch her genuine surprise reaction when she realizes that, oops, I bought two and one is actually for her, because she's been going through a little bit of a rough patch and we're family. We got to take care of each other. So yeah, let's see her reaction when I unbox this later on when I get the box. So remember when I told y'all I did something silly and she has no idea about it? She's about to find out right now and we're gonna get her reaction.
Me? Me?
This is it.
What did you do? What did you do? Oh my god, you bought... Wait, you got this?
Of course I do.
Wait a second.
I got her one of her own.
Oh my god, I'm shaking. Oh my god, Yasmin. Oh my
She
god.
had to call me my government too, didn't she?
Yo, you can't do shit like this and expect me not to.
She's already swatching it.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
I knew you'd get a kick out of it, considering, everything.
I know I'm not supposed to say that it was a better deal in present than what my boyfriend got me, but we just,
Because the sister-in-law already knows.
Look at that.
Wow. Right? I was excited when I got this. I was like, oh my god.
I didn't know you got me one.
Yes, I did.
You fucker.
I told Anthony the whole entire time.
Which ones didn't I do? Wait.
We'll be back with the swatching later, but we wanted to just catch her reaction.
Thank you.
Be right back, guys. Okay, so now the package was finally here. You guys saw her reaction. She obviously loved it, and I was really thoroughly thrilled to see how excited she was. She's still shaking, just so you guys know. And she had to call my government name out too, like, dang. But that's how you know you excited. So, without further ado, I want to get started with this unboxing. Of course, I've already opened it, as you can tell, because we were really, really thoroughly excited about the unboxing and what I had gotten for her. So let's just start with the freaking pièce de résistance. Boom, daddy! The Jawbreaker palette. And I wanted to get this for my girl Elle because she deserves it. She's like such an awesome person. She's always inviting us to go to the beach, and she's definitely good company, great vibes, and I'm grateful that my brother is dating her, and hopefully they get married. Not lots of babies. But, of course, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I already see, so many different color combinations. It's... one's called... Let me stop. Let's keep going with all the other stuff that I purchased. So, of course, not too long ago, Jeffree Star came out with these. I got them in pink, but I accidentally threw one out. So, I needed to get green ones because green is my favoriteest color in the whole wide world. Yes, I'm pretty pathetic and sad, but I don't care. You're watching this too, so whatever. Sucio. Next on the agenda, of course. Now, if you know me, you took a little bit of the devil's lettuce and you know what I'm about to pull out of this box, okay? Okay. And of course, I had to pick up my Jeffree Star weed grinder, which I'm going to be trying out today. And it's very soft, the silicone texture, which I think is pretty freaking amazing. And it's easily interlockable. Like, you just pop it in and you're good to go. It's got a keef catcher with a keef scraper. I don't know if you can see that. It's just chilling there, looking all cool and stuff. Let's move on. All right, so what I also got was the infamous Magic Star translucent powder, and it does smell like cotton candy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So just know that there's a tutorial coming up with this stuff. And then I also picked this little bad boy up because they were having like a special on this company Good Molecules, and I got this instant cleansing balm, and I've actually seen a couple of YouTubers use this already. So I'm going to be doing probably a filming later today to take all this makeup off. But this is the instant cleansing balm. Let's just kind of, oh, it comes with a little scooper. That's duper. That is super de-duper. I'll stop. But yeah, it comes with that, and I don't know how you get this off, but I'll get it. I'll get it. Ah, see? Oh. It smells pretty good. See? But we will do this for a later, well, we'll do this later today. And then I'll probably take forever posting it up on my goddamn YouTube. I'm sorry, I'm not consistent. Just please understand that I've been dealing with school, and wrestling's kind of somehow magically picked up again, which I don't care if it does, you know, now that we're back in training and stuff, but it just kind of hit me out of left field because I really wanted to take a break from wrestling so I could focus on my YouTube and school and work. So, another one bites the dust. All right. So that's pretty much everything that I got. The powder, the straws, and then I got this, because you know Beautylish don't play. They come with the little cute cards and stuff like that. And, well, this is my invoice, so. But, you know, sometimes they'll throw like a little card in here saying, hey, y'all. Oh, one last thing. I need a new setting spray because my Morphe one is gone. So I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. And, of course, you know what the bottle look like. Just click to unlock, and then spray. I'm already wearing makeup. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh!
That smells good. Okay, Anastasia, I see you. That smell. I'm gonna end up wearing this shit like freaking body spray. Shit.
A little bit of the bubbly.
Oh, oh, see, this is what I love about Beautylish. They give you like these cool little samples too. What did I get today? The Bioderma Sebum Matte Control, formulated for oily and acne-prone skin. The Sebum Collection. The new generation of oil control skincare balances your skin's sebum productions and prevent clogged pores and acne. Skin is left smooth and clear with a healthy matte finish, not dry, tight, or uncomfortable. I'm assuming this is primer. Because it's all in French. Matte and smooth. Anti-brilliance. Shine control moisturizer. Oh, it's a moisturizer. Okay. Where's my note? I know usually like Beauty List comes with the note saying, hey, this was handmade with love. They didn't give me one. Beautylish, what gives? Y'all usually put like some little cute love note saying, hey y'all, thanks for ordering. We hope you order again. But you didn't do that. You hurt my feelings. Although I still gotta admit, this freaking wrapping paper with Jeffrey's tattoos, so fucking precious. So fucking precious. I can't. Jeffrey, you go hard for us, and we do not appreciate you enough. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm about to try this grinder out tonight, too. So, stay tuned for a little clip at the end. Nah. I'm definitely going to use this tonight, though. Definitely going to use this tonight. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. There weren't that many screw-ups. I didn't descend into madness, thankfully. So there's that. And I hope you like the kind of new setup I have here. I mean, the light is blinding my eyes, pero my makeup is looking fucking dumb cute today. I mean, hello? 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 I know, don't judge me. I need to fit in, but pero. Entonces, that's for another day. Stay tuned to my Snapchat for my pedicure adventures. I have been the Ring Queen, Lexa Rose, your beauty guru, and this has been an episode of Wrestling with Beauty. I will see you in my next video. Keep it Gucci Poochie, bitches. Come in!
You doing a video?
I just finished.
Okay, I'm gonna roll joint.
Hold on, I didn't stop the video. I'll be